In this video, I'll show you how you can fix AMD graphic driver error 182 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is you want to head down here and search for Device Manager. In here you want to find Display Adapters, click on it, find your GPU, then you want to right click on it, Update Driver, browse My Computer, let me pick from a list, then you want to choose the second one and press Next and update to that one. Once you've done that, you want to right click on it again, go to Properties, Driver, and then if you have the option to roll back driver, you're going to click on this one. Now after you've done both of these things, what I suggest you do is you come down here and search for Windows Update. Come in here, check if you have an update. If you have one, just take it. If you don't, then that's fine as well. And for the last option, I suggest you do is you right click on it, Properties, then you want to go to driver and check for the driver date. Now, if you can see the date right here, then what you want to do is you want to head over to Google and search for your GPU and then search for driver download and get a driver date that is a little bit older than this one, not the new one. Just try and do an older one and see if that works. Sometimes when you have the new driver update, it can cause issues. So try and take one that's a few months older or something from the current driver date that you have. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.